1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today we're doing some Mazzy Star, Fade Into You. Very nice feel, 6/8 feel. This is okay for beginners or people that played a little bit. Cape on 2, please. 1, 2. We got 3 chords. We got 4 actually. G major shape, 1, 2, 3. D major shape, 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, okay, so that's the basic chords for the verses and the chorus, but the end of each chorus they do hit a C. So from A minor, bam, keep these 2 guys where they are and just move 3rd finger right there. Okay, and the feel is 1, 2, 3, ta 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 ta, down down up down up down down up down up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down down up down up down down up down up, 1, 2, 3, G major. This is the verse. Okay, let's go to the chorus. Third time, we're going to go to C after the A minor. There's that C. That happens over the guitar solo too. Let's do another verse. Chorus. Here we go. Come on. That's the second time. Alright, third time we're gonna hit the C. So that's the whole song. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Very nice swing. Dun, 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 da, 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 da. Just keep the wrist loose. Okay, so review everything. It's not much to it. It's just verse, G, D, A, and chorus on the third time. G, D, A. Third time you go to C, and then G, D, A, and then it starts over again. Okay, Mazzy Star. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be safe. Take care. Thank you.